Are you tired of dealing with a malfunctioning garage door? Look no further. Introducing the Arizona Garage Door Repair Guru, your trusted partner for all your garage door needs in Phoenix, Arizona. Our team of expert garage door technicians is dedicated to providing top-notch service, from repairs and installations to maintenance. With years of experience under our belts, we pride ourselves on delivering prompt, reliable, and affordable solutions. We understand the importance of a smoothly functioning garage door. It's not just about convenience, but also security. That's why we're available 24/7 to tackle any emergency repairs. Don't let a troublesome garage door disrupt your routine. Choose the Arizona Garage Door Repair Guru for a hassle-free experience. Contact us today at 60254-09893 or visit our website,